The reverse center fold is one that can result in some interesting patterns. Although very popular, most people don't know its name.
Lay the handkerchief upside down, fold the 4 corners to the center. Pinch the corners at the center and wrap your other hand around the pinch. Pull up to get an idea of what it will look like in your pocket. Shape by pulling on some of the edges of the points.
Put in your pocket with the points facing down, then shape to create some visual appeal. As you can see, this creates some intriguing pattern, especially with a high quality pocket square. A couple of pointers on this fold. If you give it a little twist while folding, it makes it even more interesting.
The best material for this fold is silk.
And this fold starts to look even better with pocket squares larger than 13 inches. With your trusty pocket square, you never have to fear looking plain without a necktie. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll never have to take style advice from a YouTuber again. Most importantly, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.